What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And once again, we gonna one take this video, uncut, raw, whatever, okay? So, right now, where I live, it is 5:37 a.m. I'm a early bird, man. Gotta be up for when the motherfucking Wall Street, when the motherfucking market open, okay? Hey man, just asking, how many of you guys are in the stock market? Because if you're not in the stock market, you gotta make sure you get in it, man. Every dollar I make on this account goes into the stock market, and we keep growing our accounts. But anyway, we ain't talking about that. But if you do want to get in the stock market and you're not, link is in the description. You get some free stocks if you sign up for Webull or what other one do I got down there? Robinhood. But anyway, for further ado, um, I'm loving the summer shit, man. I feel like I am ramping up, starting to get more consistent higher. Pretty much averaging, 3 or 4 sales a day. Um, I'm beating last month in royalties, but I only have 45 items, so I'm definitely pressing up my prices. But I've been pressing up my prices, but the thing is, the ones that are lower are always the ones that sell. So I'm finally catching traction on all the new stuff that I posted, $7.99, between $7.99 and $20. Um, so yeah, let's take a look at this month and see what's going on. Let's go. Mm. Oh yeah, I also want to say, man, shout out to my subscribers, man. You guys been showing me crazy fucking love. I appreciate you guys. I try to get on here as much as I can. Like I said, I do 3,000,001 things. I'm a fucking hustler, so I'm always doing something. So bear with me. Y'all always get me to post more when you guys get in that comment section and be like, where the fuck you at? You know what I'm talking about? So just keep showing me love, man, and I'll damn sure make sure I'm on it. Um, my best day this month was 7, but it's just been pretty consistent, at the 3 mark. Um, I got a Father's Day shirt that's been, pretty much picking up good traction. So that's really what's driving my big sales this month. Um, let's see. So yeah, most of all, it's been selling the standards. Um, I've been pretty much on myself about doing anything else but creating designs this week, because I wanted to get over the 80% mark, and I actually did that midnight tonight. So um, I'm pretty happy about that. So I know I won't miss another tier up, which is great. I should have been in tier 1000 a long time ago. So 78% men, 16% women, barely any kids shirts. I want to start posting more on kids shirts, but when they first changed the rules, um, like posting on kids shirts was so sensitive, and I was trying to stop getting rejections and stuff. So, um, I might start fucking with it, but right now, I just be trying to keep my account secure and making sure that I'm not dealing with bullshit. And putting on kids shirt is, I mean, it's definitely rewarding, but it's definitely risky too. So just be careful with your keywords if you're posting on kid shirts. This is the one that's kind of driving my account this month. It's actually a new shirt I actually posted, and I've sold 19 of them already. It's a Father's Day shirt. So shout out to Father's Day. Um, let's see what else is my number. This is my number one seller. I already showed you guys this. If you guys haven't had to see the video showing my number one seller, go check it out because I revealed it. Um, Everything else is just a little bit of everything. I'm starting to rank new shirts. Like all of these are pretty much new stuff. A couple of my clothing line stuff. Um, so yeah, it's been an interesting month. Just getting ready for the holidays. Um, I'm definitely posting Halloween and Christmas and Thanksgiving shirts early because I want to rule that time. So, you know, I'm letting everybody kind of focus on still 4th of July and all that other shit right now. And I am knocking out a bunch of Halloween, a bunch of Christmas because I still have niches from last year that are going to sell. And that's one thing you want to do is look at your data from last year and figure out what was selling and what was working and get it out before everybody does. And that's how people win during holidays. That's why you see, certain people's profiles just going crazy, 300 items selling, 500 selling a day is because they're first to these holidays. And I'm just trying to make sure that I knock it out of the park for Q4 because this is going to be the thing that changes my whole account. So that's just one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. Get ready for these holidays, man. Um, just make sure you're first to market, and we'll be ranking first. We'll be getting sales first, and we'll have a head start. So um, you don't necessarily have to start posting them today, but just start gathering the niches, the cross niches you're gonna do. Start designing. Go buy some vector packs. Just get ready, okay? And that's the process that I am in right now. I've uploaded a few, but I'm gathering vector packs and just going ahead and making a shitload of designs and get ready for Q4. Cause if you ain't been around for Q4 before, it'll change anybody into a high earner on this platform. So uh, definitely respect Q4 and know what it could do for your account. And make sure that you dedicate more time than you ever have in that season because that's when the big money is made. But that's all I got for this video. Just showing you guys what's going on. I love you guys. Man, I want to say something disrespectful about the haters and shit that be on YouTube. It's crazy. If you don't like me, just don't subscribe. Don't come to watch my videos. There's no reason to comment. You can go to somebody else's page, okay? I've been seeing a lot of hater shit going on, and that's cool. If you ain't doing nothing right, then you ain't gonna have no haters. So, um, I love you guys. Fuck who don't fuck with me. I love everybody that does. And yeah, man, till next time.